Given the limited discovery and PTAB proceedings in general, do you think it's safe to say that if discovery is in fact needed to develop an invalidity ground, for example, public use or something in a PGR, that it's probably better to raise the undeveloped ground at the district courts instead?
I certainly think so. I think you have to have everything you need to prove your case the day you file your petition. If you don't have that, then that should not be your ground of invalidity. And if you really think it's a public use or a system or whatever, then you need to reserve that for litigation, because you cannot assume you're going to get anything and you'll be held to your petition and PGRs, I think. And so it is safest, I think, to not pursue it in that forum.
I totally agree. Sometimes you can pull that together. That's been done in the context of CBMs. But if you can't get that proof assembled for your petition, I wouldn't run that ground.
Yeah, I agree. And I mean, sometimes it depends on the type of information you're trying to rely on. If it's a system art reference, it may be that the product was publicly used, but you might need to rely on something that was confidential to prove how it actually functioned. And so you run into potential protective order issues and things where maybe you got that information, but it's under seal. Those can so it's not just, do I have the information that I need? It's, do I have it in a form that I can actually use? And if it's not a form I can use, what steps do I need to go through to actually get permission to then be allowed to use that at the PTAB? And sometimes you can use that as a springboard for saying, I know this exists. I need to get out, I need you to order the production in this proceeding because I'm not getting the relief I need from the district court. But a lot of times you've got to go talk to the district court first and show the PTAB that you've at least tried to get relief there. So anyway, there's a lot of different things that can be at play there as you're trying to establish the grounds that you think you have or know you have, to get it into a form you can actually use.